Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do a cooking video on this channel, and I also have a cleaning channel. If you are interested, please check it out. Eden at home. Today I will go ahead and make my special vegetarian lasagna. I've been asked to make that many times, so I will share the recipe with you. But before that, this video is sponsored by Hart Brothers. They're making bamboo changing pots. They send me this item to review it for them. Bamboo is 100% chemical free. That's why I've been using bamboo clothes diapers in the past 3 years for my kid, and I really like it. It's very soft and comfortable and very observant. You're gonna love this one. Also, this one is so large. You can change your kid everywhere, even if you're traveling. Only $19.99, and it's very smooth material made from bamboo. It's extremely soft, silky, observant, and breathable. Bamboo has a natural terminal regulating, anti-fungal, anti-static, and will keep your baby cooler, drier, warmer, and odor free. And I will actually give this away in my new channel. Please go ahead and subscribe there. I will have giveaway of this one and a diaper bag very soon. I will leave their Amazon link on the description box. Please check them out. You're gonna love this stuff. To make this spinach lasagna, you're gonna need chopped spinach, cheese, Alfredo sauce, garlic, ginger, onion, olive oil, and lasagna. Clean and cut the onions into small pieces. Saute the onions with olive oil until it's golden brown. The onions doesn't have to be fine cut. It's gonna match with the chopped spinach anyway, so don't worry about it. Just saute as well. Add the spinach slowly and mix it well. For seasoning, I like to mix ginger and garlic minced together, and I like to use cardamom and salt instead of black pepper. Add garlic and ginger and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cardamom, which is korarima. You need to boil water and add your Alfredo sauce into the spinach mixture. To mix this smooth sauce, you have to mix it well. It's creamy and smooth, so it doesn't need to cook too much, so it's need about like 10 minutes mixture and that's it. Then you boil your water with salt. I add about a tablespoon of salt for the lasagna pasta. After the water boils, add your lasagna, cook it 5 to 8 minutes, it depends what kind of lasagna you got. Drop a little bit oil. When it's done cooking, remove the hot water and add cold water. When the pasta is cool, you wash your hand and mix it with the spinach one by one. First, you put the sauce and then the pasta and then the cheese, and keep doing it until it's full. You don't need to add bechamel or cottage cheese because this sauce is very creamy and soft, so you don't need to be very wet, so avoid those things. On the top, add all of your sauce and extra cheese. Cover it with aluminum foil and bake it for 30 minutes at 350 degree. Do not forget to poke your aluminum foil to keep the moisture out from the lasagna. I cut the lasagna in a serving size in squares and it looks very wonderful. The lasagna is done. It looks good, it looks very tasty, and you can serve it as a main dish. It's very satisfying, and I want you to try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. It was delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Do not forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you.